Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys iqoo phone setting guys, and in this video friends we will talk about guys how to save contact number on iqoo mobile. Friends, you want to save contact number on your iqoo mobile. So when how to save contact number in this video we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone calls setting to save contact number. After on phone call setting, friends click on dial and friends which number you want to save, enter. Example get this is number and you want to save on your iqoo mobile. So friends click on create new contact, click here and guys keep permission here, allow option, and friends enter name. So guys you want to enter your friend name, your name, so you can enter. So guys I will enter my friend, and friends I will save this number. After save number guys, friends click on contact and friends you can check contact number. And friends you want to call, so you can call. Friends you want to send text messages to your friends, so friends you can send text messages from here. Friends you want to edit this number, so friends click here. Friends you can edit this number. By mistake friends you have saved wrong number, so you can correct number. You want to change the name, so you can change this name, you can edit name. So friends I will into like my best friend, and guys I will save. And friends you want to save any photo on this number, so friends click here and we choose photo from album. So we will select album always, and friends give permission here, I agree, done. And friends this photo I have, so I will set this photo on this contact number, got it. Save copy and save. Then this photo will save on contact number. So friends you want to save photo on contact number, so friends you can save photo on contact number. And friends you want to save this number on your favorite list, so you can save. After save friends you can check this number on your favorite list. So like that friends you can save contact number and you can add guys number on your favorite list. Friends click on contact and guys when you will remove from here, friends you can see this contact number will not show on your favorite list. So like that friends we can use contact number setting, and guys we can save contact number. And friends you want to change this photo, so friends you can change photo. And friends you don't want to use photo, so you can remove this contact number photo and save number. Friends photo will remove. So like that friends we can save contact number on iqoo phone. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video guys.